On the third floor, they are hanging doors, most of them 4 panels hanging on 3 hinges. Now this space up here, it's gonna be sort of a rec room. And the swinging doors are okay in most situations, but Matt, there are times when a pocket door really comes in handy. Small room, this is gonna be like a little bar area or something, I believe.
That's right.
So that's a perfect application, but they are kind of fussy to hang.
They can be fussy, that's absolutely true. So in new construction, we really prefer to be able to beef the wall up a little bit and use something like this engineered stud. Very beneficial. But let's go back a little bit and talk about other solutions that might exist. Right here we have something that we refer to kind of generically as a pallet style pocket door. So this is set up to just go inside of a 2x4 wall construction. You buy this all pre-assembled. You would screw the base down. If you were limited to only being able to use a 2x4 wall, this could be a solution to that. One step up from here though is to use something like this. So this is a metal backed stud. So we're still dealing with something that would work in a 2x4 wall, but the metal backing keeps the wood straight and stiff and stops any penetrations from going through this material and hitting our door.
So a good option, but you know, in this case, we're basically new construction. You took this floor back to the studs, so you can make the wall as thick as you want, and you made it thick enough so that you can use 2 of these on the flat. Perfect, right? Rigid, nice and true, and as you say, these aren't gonna wander.
That's right. We want to get the rest of these trim pieces on and then start adding our casings. So I'll set the combination square. I like to use just proud of a 1/4 inch.
So this is your reveal?
Yep, this is the reveal for my casings.
All right, man, how about coming flush on your side? Ooh, I like that.
Good.
Good. For you. Okay, so we cover the gap right there, which is nice. And you know, with the 2x6 wall, your jambs right here, nice beefy opening, good sliding door, I like it.
Yeah, it works really well. We got a little bit more to do. So when the lock set comes in for the door pull, we'll pop that in. Got a couple shims to put at the bottom to keep the door in line, and this is pretty much it.
Beautiful.
Ready for caulk and paint.
Trim this side out too, nice job. I like it a lot. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.